If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. We saw Quant close above the 200 EMA on the daily time frame. This is exactly what we said that we wanted to see in yesterday's update. And with that, it suggests that we are looking for continuation higher. What is happening right now is we are below it again. So if today's daily candle close is below the 200 EMA, remember we have to wait until midnight here in the UK, and then we know, okay, it's had another fake out just as we did last time. But if it could hold the moving averages, it'll have another chance of breaking out. If we eventually lose this area, which is $95, it's not looking too good. We're going to analyze this in more detail today, so make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. We had a huge influx of subscribers yesterday. Thank you for the support. We're so close now, I think under 200 subscribers away from 7,000. Let's get there before the end of this month. And so now let's look at this in a bit more detail. As we closed above the 200 EMA, what I already said is that this is looking for uptrend continuation as we confirm this bullish cross, daily bullish cross, signaling that Quant is attempting to break into a daily bull market. So not totally the same as the weekly bull market, but on the daily time frame, you consider this as an uptrend, in other words, bull market. And the reason why I'm now zooming out into this $94 to $100 support area is because with the pump through the 200 EMA, we came back down to that purple box area that was keeping us up for the last year. And with that, we've now confirmed the bullish cross as support in that area that needed to hold. So all we now need to do is break this 109 high. And we're going to start to see explosive moves ahead for Quant. It's going to be some quite exciting times. But again, this can all get invalidated, as I've mentioned in the past updates as well, that we could just simply close below the 200 EMA, lose this wick down here on the 55 at $95. We'd also have to lose this golden pocket. So there's a lot of levels that need to be lost. There's a lot of protection for the bulls out there, but for the bears, there's a lot of support that needs to be lost. Again, if we do lose this all, it means that's retracing back down to this low, where if we start to see bullish signals, we'd have to reclaim this purple box again. Otherwise, lose this low and we could be looking at $70, $75, $79. But I wouldn't worry about that too much right now. If it does come, it's going to be a great opportunity long term. But we're seeing some nice early things, which is reclaiming this purple box, topping out 109 and then coming back down into that key area of support for the past year and confirming it. It was also the golden pocket over here. It's also that daily bullish cross. And we're now seeing some great movements with confirming it as support, stating that it is going into an uptrend, and then breaking through the 200 EMA, which is keeping you in a downtrend. So that would be considered the top of the downtrend. We've broken that as well. But the thing that is probably in your minds right now that is scaring you is this big red candle that could possibly invalidate it all. My belief is that because the daily candle actually closed over here, and this one opened above the 200 EMA, that right now what we're seeing is just a wick. So it's something like this where we see a big candle dumping down into this area but actually closing bullish above that, so confirming it as support. Of course, the next candle could change it just like this at the moment. You know, if we do close below the 200 EMA, then we're just invalidating that scenario where we're looking for this to hold and then break this high to head to 109, where if we start to see that being broken, we could get some nice quick moves to the upside. So I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think right now we're going to actually close below the 200 EMA? I think that we're going to close above just because of the candle closure actually here the previous day above the 200 EMA. So for me personally right now, what I think is going on, and this could be totally wrong, and there's no matter if it is, because I'm already preparing you for the downside. Again, we just need to maintain this wick over here, and we will eventually break out again, because that would be holding the bullish cross still. This is the most recent low, so as long as you stay above this low, we've got chances of breaking a higher high. And we've also closed above the 200 EMA, so very nice indications over here. And as the close was above, I'd just anticipate this being a massive flush out to see if this will hold, and then for the daily candle close, it will hold. If it doesn't, we're looking on a path to protect this. And then, yeah, I've already explained what would happen if you lose this point early in the video. So if you just want to backtrack and go back to the earlier parts of the video, you can go and do so. If you want to get educated so you can learn how to trade, listen to the end of this video. Otherwise, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and let me know your thoughts in the section below. What you think is going to go on, a close above 102 or a close below 102 that hunts this $95 low. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options descriptions. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.